Clickbait just a mash up the fate. Thumbnail faker than a gold chain. Title and video don't relate. Clickbait a all on me hate. Clickbait just a mash up the fate. Thumbnail faker than a gold chain. Title and video don't relate. Clickbait a all on me hate. The retirement deal never seal. G-Mark need to make a... What the deal? What the deal? What the deal? Dancehall artist Potential Kid says 2019 will be the year he makes his grand return to the music scene to reclaim his rightful spot in dancehall. The entertainer has been a figment of his former self for more than 7 years, as he has been unable to follow up on his 2011 success. In an interview with The Star, the Yasanai singer revealed that he has struggled to bounce back after being named as a person of interest by the police in 2016. He explained that although no charges were laid against him, being brought in for questioning relating to criminal activity in his community dealt him the biggest blow to his career. At the time the entertainer was brought in for questioning by the authorities, he said that he was still reaping rewards from his breakout hit, and he was also being booked for shows across the region. Now that he's trying to rebuild his career, Potential Kid is urging the police to be more thorough in their investigation before naming people as interest. He also wants those divulging news to the authorities to ensure that the information is accurate, as a wrongful arrest or more association with any negativity could make or break a person, practically those in the music industry.
Potential attack, you know.
What the deal? Popcaan has broken the silence on the death of his longtime friend Junior Shago Thompson. The Unruly Boss, who's currently on tour in the UK, uploaded a photo of the two from the Intent 2 movie released back in September. All I ever want to see me do is win. All I ever want to see you do is win. This youth is one of the realest and most loyal person I've ever met. He shows respect to everyone, so I don't know why this happened to you, but God knows everything, brother. I never expected to be where I am and get this news about you, fama. God know, me feel it, youth. Rest in peace, brother. I learned more that people are way more evil and envious than I thought. Condolences to your whole family, and you know I'll keep making you proud, brother. Rest in peace, family. Hashtag realist, hashtag unruly, hashtag family. I did that show last night for you, bro, he continued. Shago was reportedly killed at Popcaan's Cherry Garden House on Wednesday. Thompson's body was found laying in a pool of blood in a room on the property by a working man about 8:30 in the morning. Initial reports indicate that he was murdered during a home invasion. It is alleged that armed men entered the family's DJ's residence hoping to commit a robbery when they stumbled upon Thompson.
To every youth so dear die young, by the knife or die by guns, yeah. Unruly say R.I.P. yeah. I know me no know where them kill your far. Me no know where them kill your far. But Jah knows, yeah.
What the deal? On Sunday, dancehall artist Kaleda was released from police custody after being apprehended by the police when they found in his possession what looked like 3 high-powered rifles. Upon closer inspection by a district constable, it was found that the weapons were fake and were actually water guns. Kaleda was held by the police in Lake Spence, Spanish Town in St. Catherine as he was making his way to Portmore. Kaleda was on his way to do a video shoot at the time. After reaching out to Kaleda's management team, they said he's still under investigation even though the artist was released.
Take up the telephone quicker than quick. Over Spanish Town quick. This your policeman come like magic. A inspector with diabolic. Him search with the trigger could not find it. No magazine never load it. I saw them never know nothing about it. Up a pants and spring quick. Call bigger Ford, no lick it. Me show them new gun to bus.
What the deal? Buju Banton has issued an official statement just days after returning to Jamaica. We thank each and every one of you for the outpouring of love for Buju Banton upon his return home. Buju is humble and filled with gratitude at all the well wishes, tributes, words of encouragement, and would like to say thank you. At this time and for the next weeks, Buju will be spending time with family, friends, and loved ones and has no plans of any public appearances. The statement also refuted allegations that the Grammy-winning artist released new music since his return. We would also like to inform you that there has been no new music released by Buju Banton and absolutely no dubplate session set up as of now. Buju Banton's management team assured fans that all official announcement will be done on the Reggae Icons official social media pages.
I wanna be loved, not for who you think I am, not what you want me to be. Could you love me for me? Real love, with those strings attached. I wanna give you my heart, don't wanna take it back. And this is my chat.
What the deal? Vybz Kartel is warning folks to not do business with his baby mother on his behalf. Following their split, Vybz Kartel removed Shawty from conducting business on his behalf. Over the weekend, Vybz Kartel issued a public announcement about Shawty's page, warning producers and anyone else who's seeking to do business with him not to go on her page, which is Tanisha Johnson. How many times I have to say this? Stop sending money to this page, Kartel wrote. It's a fake page. Only TJ Records deal with Gaza business. So if the money not coming to TJ, don't DM this DJ.
Woman make me feel good, but me no put me just in a them. Me love my family. Craig Dennis said, but me no put me just in a friend. Money me love see.
What the deal? People, make sure you follow my Instagram at GMarkPro. What the deal? What the deal? What the deal?